Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today we're actually unboxing Aiper Pro, which is a robotic pool cleaner. How cool is that? So yes guys, the first thing I see is actually a topper, and here are the tips for using your Aiper pool cleaner. And yes guys, so again there is actually step-by-step start guide. And here is this beautiful insert. Then there is an envelope, and I believe there should be all of them instructions already included. Super excited about it. And right here is the retrieval hook as well as the charger. And yes guys, everything is nicely and securely packaged, as you can see, and I feel like it's definitely going to be one of them favorite things in our household. Super excited about it. And yes, so here is the retrieval hook, and you can actually connect it to a larger rod that you used to when cleaning your pool before. And let's look at the robot itself. Here is the beautiful one. So let me actually take the plastic off it, and wow, it is definitely a state-of-art machinery, as you can see. And yes, the wheels are very sturdy. And yes, I'm a petite woman, I do work out, but I feel like I can definitely handle it by myself, which is very nice. And yes, let me move the box a little bit out of the way. I really like the handle right here in front. And yes guys, I feel like it's definitely makes a difference. And here is your scrubbing parts, and again the wheels are quite powerful. Make sure to fully charge it before using it. And the charger is actually right here, it is protected. And yes guys, this is how you actually would empty your cleaner. There is this conveniently located net, and everything is super sturdy. I feel like it's definitely a great addition for anyone who has a pool. And yes, this is your on-off switch, and it looks like it's already kind of charged. As you can see, it's right now in blue. This is how you actually change the settings. And yes, it actually gives you the beep, and again this is how you turn it off. When you are going to plug it in, it's actually going to blink. It means it's charging, and then it's actually going to become blue. So yes, super excited. And yes guys, cannot wait to actually fully charge it and start using it. And again, here you can see the logo as well. I feel like it also is a great gift idea for anyone who has a pool, because it actually comes with the 4 motor technology, which is great. And now let's do the floor cleaning. And again, I just turn it on, and all I have to do is just basically submerge it in water. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And yes, it is actually not heavy at all. And I connected the Aiper hook to my existing rod, so it is actually very easy to catch, and when you're dragging it around in water, it actually super light. And even to take it out of the water, it is also pretty fast. And yes guys, we do have a relatively large pool, and I'm super excited to see which area it's actually going to cover. Here it goes. As you can see, it takes 1 second for it to start, but once it starts, it's actually pretty fast. As you can see, look how fast it is. And it almost looks like it is smiling. So yes guys, I'm ready to experiment some more. Let's, for example, turn it on into the wall setting and see what this Mr. Aiper would do. Let's see. So yes, this is the wall setting. Let's see how far could it actually climb. Wow, it is completely vertical. Completely and absolutely vertical. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So yes guys, let's try with Otto and see how Aiper is going to surprise us. And yes guys, I really like this handle as well. And yes, good luck. Attach the hook to the piece that I already have, and yes, wow, it is actually quite when you actually push it up, and guys, look at this. How cool is this? Yes, I'm just going to turn it off for a second. Let's give it just a little break. Yes guys, the pool looks like the cleanest it's ever been. Let's see what the filter had gathered. Super excited to find out. Look at that. Who would have thought? Look, there's like plenty of little small debris that I would never even see in a pool. How cool is that? Including dust, a couple of leaves, and yes, look at all this gunk that it's got. How cool is that? It's out of the pool, completely clean. So yes guys, this is how it charges. At first when I plugged it in, I actually did not turn off the on setting, so it was blinking, so make sure it is off. And yes guys, let's wait for it to get green.